Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. If I'm going to be 100% honest with you, my least favorite room to clean in the entire house is my bathroom. I do not know why, because it does not take forever. I just do not enjoy cleaning my bathroom. I enjoy how it looks after I've cleaned it, but the process is just not my favorite. In today's video, I'm going to deep clean my bathroom and give you guys some tips along the way. And then in part 2 of this video, I will be decluttering in my bathroom as well. My word for 2020 is to simplify, and I am taking it room by room and simplifying everything in every room. If you like things like that, please consider hitting that subscribe button and joining my YouTube family. I would love to have you as part of my YouTube family and just enjoy deep cleaning with me, and let's get this done. I begin by removing all of the items that I can from the bathroom.
I know that I haven't been who I was. I am supposed to be the one.
When deep cleaning, do not forget to start with things like the ceiling and work your way down.
I let you down. I hope there's some way I can make it alright. 'Cause I know that you deserve much more than this. If you give me one more chance, I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me. 'Cause I don't know what to do if you go. I just don't know what to do if you go.
Also, remember to clean things like the walls, pictures that you have on the walls, baseboards, that type of thing.
You're all I need. I take you places that you've never been. I would give you the world if you let me try again. Yeah, just give me one more chance. I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me. 'Cause I don't know what to do if you go. I just don't know what to do if you go.
Another area to remember to clean is the fan in the ceiling of the bathroom. Sometimes that can get a little dirty, so when you deep clean, make sure you give that a good vacuum or a good dusting as well.
Yeah, just give me one more chance. I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know.
And what is bathroom deep cleaning without an old toothbrush and scrubbing in those hard to reach places?
I can't show what you mean to me. 'Cause I don't know what to do if you go. I just don't know what to do if you go.
So I did clean my toilet, but I did not want to show you guys that just because cleaning the toilet is my least favorite chore of all time to do. I hate to do it. It's like one of the fastest chores, but yet it's just disgusting. And if you're an inventor or you know someone who invents, get them to invent a self-cleaning toilet. How awesome would that be if like every time you flushed it could just sanitize and clean itself? But I did want to give you guys some tips for deep cleaning your bathroom, and that includes deep cleaning your throne. When you're cleaning your toilet, do not forget about the top of the bowl. Also, when you're cleaning, do not forget about the back or the handles. Especially this time of year, the handles could use a good disinfecting. So make sure you clean the front and the sides of your toilet as well when you are doing a good, thorough, deep clean. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I managed to get the bathroom deep cleaned. In the comments, let me know your least favorite room to clean and your least favorite chore to do as well. And next time I will be decluttering the bathroom. And just remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.